Come only for they have not followed the procedure, man. They came on 25th night, taken, nobody knows man where he is. 2%, two brothers, man. Our whole question, man, this government, they have filed an affidavit before the Supreme Court saying that pushing back is no longer exist in Assam since 2013.
In your writ petition, we did not get it. What is your status? Was any foreigners tribunal cases registered against you?
Yes, that's the one I declared, my lord.
Where is that?
Admittedly, my lord, that is there, man. Foreigners Tribunal upheld by the Honorable Court.
Lordship will come at page
Yeah.
34.
Page 34.
Yeah.
Okay. But then we have a query for you.
Yes, ma'am. That we have a next man.
No, it's okay. But we have a query for you. You see, if somebody is declared as a foreigner,
Madam.
whether after that he must be conveyed grounds of taking into detention, is it required?
No, my case is, my lord, as per Supreme Court order, I was released. I am appearing every Monday as per the direction I am appearing all along, my lord. Now you have taken there is a procedure for deportation, my lord. They must verify the nationality, my lord. Then they must contact to the embassy. Thereafter, they have to, my lord, this person. Nothing has been done, my lord. That is, I am on that one, my lord, this stage, my lord. Even Article 21 is applicable to them also, my lord.
No, after being declared as a
Oh, yes, my lord, even foreigners.
foreigner.
Suppose he is foreigners, my lord. He declared, I am not saying that, I am not against deportation also, my lord. Yes, you have a right to deport, you deport it. But what is the procedure of deportation, my lord? Simple, they're coming, and my lord, they're taking this, some, they're not, they are human beings. Some
I don't know. At times, I think, so far as I am concerned, my personal view, I'm not speaking for the bench. My personal view, you see, one of the most developed countries in the world is doing the same thing. Putting up people in the aircraft, landing them to Amritsar. So if it is permissible in the country which has the First Amendment, Fourth Amendment, can we have a right better than that? Because once you are declared as a foreigner,
Yes,
after that, how does the procedure matter?
my lord, what government of India, they're already, just have a look to on the page 118, my lord.
118.
118.
Deportation from the US before the government said, it was very question of that nationality.
Page 118, my lord.
Government of India accepted that. That's why the plane put land.
Why are plane on land, my lord? Page 118, my lord. It is a question the Rajya Sabha, my lord. It is the obligation of all the countries to take back their nationals if they are found to be living illegally abroad. This is, however, subject to an unambiguous verification of their nationality. This is not a policy practiced only by India. It is a generally accepted principle in the international relations.
Foreign Minister of Affairs.
This was done by foreign ministers, madam. In parliament, this statement has come. Because they have to verify the nationality, madam. All right, he is here illegally, he is here, madam.
But statement in a statement in the House of the Legislature or in a Parliament,
Right.
is it justiciable?
No, I am not saying justiciable, madam. I am just giving, madam, it is in support of my contention, madam, I am giving just in additional, madam, point, which your lordship may take judicial notice of that. Thereafter, my lord, your lordship kindly see
120.
what page 1, my lord, this
120.
in the Supreme Court, they have filed an affidavit, page 129, my lord, 129. Assam government filed an affidavit in connection with another case, my lord. Just, my lord,
Page number? Page number?
129. It is an affidavit filed by the Supreme Court. My lord, page 125 it starts. Page 125 starts. The relevant portion I am showing to you, page 129. Your lordship kindly see affidavit of respondent number 2, that state of Assam, in compliance of the order dated so and so. Now your lordship will find page 129. 5 Roman 1. Your lordship got it. that in this respect, it is submitted that till 13/3/13, there was a system of pushback. And after that, a system of formal deportation started. So pushback is no longer there in Assam. Now they are pushing where? Pushback comes only when somebody comes from Bangladesh. That on that very moment, they have to push back. The person who are living here illegally, pushback is not applicable to them. They have to be deported. Where is the treaty? Do you have any discussion with the Bangladesh government? Foreign Ministry is involved. Home Ministry is involved. State of Assam is involved. All the three are coordinating each other. Then only you take a decision.
What is your prayer in the writ petition here?
Yes. Your Lordship, kindly see my two pairs. One is they have decided to push back. So that I wanted, that is not correct, my Your Lordship. And second prayer is, I take to your Lordships to, they have decided to push back. That I said the pushback you cannot do. That is to be squashed, my Lord. Thereafter, 3, my dear Lordship, page 31. A writ in the nature of mandamus or the writ or declaration shall not be issued to the responding authority to follow due procedure as applicable for deportation of the uncles of the petitioner so and so, so and so, and till initiation of the same direction, the authority to release the detainees also. So my only main prayer is this is my. You have to follow the procedure. Then you do whatever the law might not allow you to do. Very reasonable prayer, as I think, my. I'm not saying that my I am to stay. I am to be allowed to stay here all along. At least I have some right, my. And in the meantime, interim prayer is also there, man. I do not know where he is, my. Nobody says. I went to SP. I went to detention camp. Nobody says anything.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
Lordship,
For convenience, we call you Chaudhary Mr. 2.
Chaudhary works at Chaudhary, but anyway, he's fair enough and he's very other. I am not on that.
firstly, the writ petition is filed only on apprehension.
No, not apprehension. What Mr.
No.
Chaudhary says is not apprehension.
I'll come to that, Lordship. Now, here is a case where the petitioner's uncle was declared a foreign national in 2017. There has been no appeal, nothing of that sort. And now, in a recent decision of the Honorable Supreme Court, I apply a copy of this from India, of 4/2/2025. If I may take you. Rajubala Das versus Lordship will come to the second paragraph of the order. Today, one more affidavit dated 3/2/2025 is filed, which is as vague as earlier affidavits. We have perused Annexure 2. When we asked the question to the Chief Secretary of Assam, who is present through video conference, whether the nationality of the persons listed in so and so is known, he answered affirmatively. As it is known that the persons at serial number so and so are citizens of a particular country, there is no reason why the state of Assam cannot start procedure for their deportation, even if address of these persons in the foreign country is not available, as the state is aware that they are citizens of a particular country. We direct the state to immediately start the process of deportation in respect of the persons as so and so. Now, it would be for the state to deport them. They have already been declared.
No. If that is your submission, then we'll have to deem as if you are admitting that you have been taken into custody for the purpose of deportation. Is that your case?
Custody, Lordship, I would not be able
So,
to,
because you see, the second presumption will call only when the first part is over.
because custody part, Lordship, the state will definitely look into.
Because you see,
But otherwise, Lordship, once declared you have not filed an appeal, there is no stay. They are liable to be deported, Lordship.
no, Mr. Chaudhary is categorically stated he is not against deportations. But if you have taken into custody, please tell if you have taken into custody.
That, Lordship, the state.
Because even if we don't take that as in this writ petition, but otherwise also, the court always has a power to convert it to a habeas corpus. We don't need a format for that. We are not bound with a format.
Lordship.
Whatever is the pleading, even a postcard can be treated as a.
I agree to that, Lordship. Yes.
So therefore, if somebody says that my uncle has been taken away, whereabouts is not known. He went to the police, he went to the SP. So therefore, we have a right. The court has a right to ask you where he is.
My Lordship.
And the second thing, even if we assume that this person who was declared as a foreigner has absconded, then also somebody must come and say that yes, this person was there, we went to apprehend him and he absconded.
Lordship.
And therefore he is not in the custody of the state. That is that information you have to divulge.
Lordship, that perhaps the state
Or
government.
state government, they have to divulge it. But otherwise, from your submission, we'll have to deem that he's been taken into custody since you are on the issue of declared to be a foreigner
Yes.
and he has no other rights.
Yes. Let my friend address, Lordship.
My lord, the person it's admitted fact, my lord, it is admitted that they have been taken custody. But only, my lord, whereabout
Who is admitted? No, there's no admission till now, unless you say and we take it as an
we
admission.
admit, my lord, that as per our verbal instruction, because notice has not been issued, so I could not get the written instruction. They are in custody of the border police. That
When
is,
we issue notice, you tell us.
yes, your lordship may issue notice, my lord, you will get that must.
But we are issuing notice of 7 days only.
Yes, so there no issue, my lord.
In the meantime, what will happen, my lord?
No, that we don't know, but let us.
But
let us-
something must be done, my lord. It must have some, my lord. You should know where,
No.
at least how he is, my lord.
That's okay. They are giving you information.
Yes.
Yes.
At least not to be pushed back, my lord. But
No, that we are not
whatever
saying.
procedure we follow.
That we are not saying.
Ah.
It is for them to satisfy the court that yes, they have been pushed back in accordance with law. Because when they come and make a statement that this person was apprehended, and then they come and say that this is how we have done. So we get the information. We keep it open. We can convert this into habeas corpus at any point of time. Just have to remind us
Notice may be given a witness, the my lord will get it. By witness, they will get the information.
by Wednesday.
Yes.
Okay.
Monday to Paribo.
Monday, something to work.
Here in Assam, everything is here, my lord.
No.
But matter is,
Mr.
he also
Chaudhary.
mentioned in the yesterday, man.
Mr. Chaudhary, in these few days,
Yes.
I have become an expert in parted matters.
I know, man, Tuesday and case is fixed also.
So with that
We are also victim of that.
no, we understand, but you see, with that expertise,
I need
and
your
the-
worship,
and
man.
the, and the-
You
and the-
kindly appreciate our
and the
concern.
pressure which is mounting on us
That's-
with regard to the time constraints.
That's so. Now we seen yesterday also, your lordship was sitting about 4:30.